Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you. Today I'll show you all how to clean stainless steel appliances. Let's start with the stovetop. The first thing you need to do is always pre-treat your stovetop. Just sprinkle some water and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, take a food scraper and scrape off all the burnt food. I always use this method and don't worry, it doesn't spoil your ceramic top. And next, take a sponge with a squirt of dish soap and scrub the stove top and then clean it with a dish rag. And now, repeat the same process for the oven range. And the next one is the sink. I use this barkeepers friendly for my stainless steel sink. I'll leave the link to all the products that I mentioned in the video. If you are from other countries where you can't find barkeepers friendly, this one's for you. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and make it into a paste and apply that to your sink and leave it for 30 minutes. After that, scrub it off. This one works as well. First, squirt the barkeepers friendly in the sink and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, with a sponge, scrub everything off. And for cleaning the corners, I use a toothbrush and then rinse it off with water. And now clean it off with a dry rag. And now the final step. Take a paper towel with approximately 1 teaspoon of olive oil and rub that as shown in the video. And do believe me, it gives the sink a really good shine. Next is microwave. Repeat the same process. Scrub the outer part with dish soap, clean it off with a dish rag and apply olive oil. I do this process for all my appliances once monthly. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe.